We're going to show you San Diego's best beach. This is Jolla Shores in San Diego, California. A beautiful beach with some of the best waves in the world. It's a big water park for people of all ages to come and have some fun. And it's completely free all day, every day.
Like a cheap paper tiger, strumming on a heartstring stereo.
It's a surfer's paradise. And the Jolla Shores has a great beach that stretches over 2 miles. We'll also show you what to watch out for. The Jolla Shores is one of San Diego's most popular beaches. On the south end, there's this beautiful mansion and a cove that has crystal blue water. At this end, you can see hundreds of leopard sharks, only a few feet from shore. The remote control airplane guys take off and land down here. From here, you'll find a long stretch of perfect waves leading up to the pier at the end. And the cliffs at Torrey Pines. The beach has the best lifeguards anywhere, with lifeguard towers all up and down. It also has parking, bathrooms, and a shower. This beach does not. The waves here are excellent, and there are many peaks up and down the long stretch of beach. There's also very good bodyboarding, body surfing, and paddleboarding.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday.
It's an awesome beach, but there's some dangerous stuff here too. So here's the warnings.
You can finally pull the tags on your tummy.
There are a lot of stingrays that can inflict a very painful sting on you. They're mostly hidden down in the sand where you can't see them.
Is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender.
There's also riptides, which are a river of water that can pull you straight out to sea.
To get a half naked, life's too short, let's not waste it.
And there's a seal that likes to sit inside and catch all the waves.
Paradise.
He's got a big bump on his head from running into surfers. So watch out for him.
Oh, this view of you, it's got everything I need.
Hey, we got to roll. But if you're in San Diego, come down and check this place out.
We don't ever have to leave.